Hey guys, welcome back. So today, as you can see, we're finally going to be doing,
oh god,
an Hermes unboxing. It's been way too long. It's been way too long. And I know you guys are like at the edge of your seats, okay? Because I keep promising all these unboxings and I keep promising I have all these bags to show you, and then I just sit here and don't do that.
And I don't know what that is.
I don't know what that's about, but we're going to stop that now and we're going to do some unboxings. We just do like an unboxing week. Or is that a lot? That feels like a lot. I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about that. Just like a week of Hermes unboxing just to get them out of the way, because like I'm so tired of not showing you everything. Like I just want you guys to see what I have already. But anyways, that's not what this video is about. Today we are going to be unboxing a really special bag, and it's special because this is my first bag of this kind, I guess. Don't look at the box because, as you know, like what's in here, clichettes probably. I always do my unboxings for Instagram and then I'll just like insert the video in here. So this box doesn't actually have the bag in it. I've been using the bag for probably well over a year at this point. This is actually one of the first bags that I got, but I'll tell you everything when we actually, I know you want to see the bag, okay? I want you to see the bag, you want to see the bag. So let's jump into it. Let's do it. But wait, you already know I'm safe. If you're not already subscribed, just find yourself. I post sometimes when I can't. I do my best. Listen. It's been rough. It's been rough. You guys know I'm literally 9 months pregnant and I don't have the energy.
I don't have the energy.
So if I seem like I'm all out of whack, it's because I am. Look at, like, stop playing with me. Stop it. But if you guys like a fashion, luxury, makeup, any of that stuff, I feel like this is definitely where you're going to be. So you should subscribe if you're not already. And you should follow me over on Instagram if you're not already. It's just K Danger. I post every single day over there. Every day there is going to be like a makeup of the day, a reel, an outfit of the day, randomness on story. It's just a lot, okay? I post a lot over there for no reason. So you should follow me over there if you're not already. And with all that out of the way, let's jump into the unboxing. So, this is my very first Birkin 25. Obviously, you guys do know I have a couple of Birkin 30s. So this is my first Birkin 25. And actually, this is probably the third or fourth bag that I ever bought. You know what? Let me pull up. I have a little spreadsheet that I keep that has just like everything listed out for no reason. Like, what do I need this information for? I don't know. This is the fifth bag that I purchased. So the first one was the Rose Capri Birkin 30. I'm going to link that unboxing up here. I'm going to link all the unboxings that I'm about to talk about up here in case you want to see. So the Rose Capri Birkin 30 was the first one. Then the Blue Zanzibar Kelly 28. Then the Rose Confetti Birkin 30. Then the Rouge Decor.
Don't know how to say that.
Kelly 28. And then this was the fifth bag. So this is from the Purse Affair. I love buying from Purse Affair. I have talked about them more than once. I'm going to link them in the description box. I think out of the 5 bags that I literally just mentioned to you, half of them were purchased from the Purse Affair. Definitely my Blue Zanzibar Kelly was from the Purse Affair, and my Rose Confetti Birkin was from the Purse Affair. I've just always had a really good experience with them personally, so I just love buying from them. This is in Vertigo with gold hardware. This is in Swift leather. Now, a lot of people really don't like Swift leather. I personally love it. It's like one of my favorite leathers. I am gonna finally do, I'm very close, okay? I'm very close. If I do that week of unboxings, we'll be right there, guys. We'll be right there. But I am gonna do a leather guide video, basically just talking about my experiences with different Hermes leathers. This is one of the leathers that I wanted to reveal before I did that video, and I do have one more leather that I feel like is very interesting. So we definitely need to talk about that one in the video. So wait till I unbox that. You just wait. But since we're talking about this is a Birkin 25, and I feel like most people know when it comes to buying a Birkin 25 on the pre-love market, because that's what I do. I shop pre-love. I'm not doing the whole in-store thing, okay? I actually thought this was gonna be the year that I started my Hermes journey.
And no.
I went one time, and after that one time, I was like, I'm not doing this again. Buying a Birkin 25 on the pre-love market is not the easiest thing to do, price-wise, okay? It's always so much more expensive than it is in store. However, when you get a leather like Swift, for example, Swift is one that is very, very smooth, and a lot of people don't gravitate towards it. They feel like it doesn't wear very well. For me, I think this is just fine. This does have an insert in it. It is from Samorga. I think I literally just ordered it on Amazon. Because this is in Swift, the price was a lot better. Okay, when I say a lot better, I actually paid less than the retail for this Birkin 25. And Swift is actually one of the more expensive leathers, which is just like such a mind fuck, right? At the time that I got this bag, I was looking for a green. I wasn't specifically looking for vertigo. I was really okay with whatever. Like bamboo is cool. I actually am obsessed with like Vert Cricket, Vert Fizz, Vert Peppermint. But I just feel like if I was gonna get a green Birkin, I mean, I don't know if I'm gonna eventually get like Vert Cricket, Vert Fizz, Vert Peppermint, I don't know. But as of right now, I have a green Birkin. So I feel like this one makes more sense because this one matches more things than those would. And that's just how my brain calculates things, okay? Is it right? Probably not. But either way, I did get it and I have been using it. And I know that I have been preaching, and I do mean preaching, that the Birkin 30 is the best size. Don't worry, I actually filmed a comparison months and months and months ago, way before I even filmed this unboxing, okay? So the comparison between the Birkin 30 and the Birkin 25 is coming very soon. It's foolishness. It's foolishness. What is that? I'm sorry. That's all I'm gonna say for right now. Okay, I do need to clean this hardware. This hardware is so dirty. I'm gonna tell you when I got this bag because it's definitely been more than a year. And again, if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen me. Oh, stop it. May 18th, 2024 is when this bag was delivered to my house. So I've had it for a good year and a half. You can't see on camera like how small it is. I'm hoping it's gonna come across in the comparison video that I already filmed. Okay, hopefully that works. But it's a small bag and it's small. I mean, it fits everything I need because I barely need anything. Like I need my wallet and my keys. Like what else? Is there more? But everything on this bag is literally impeccable. I mean, this is the thing about me. Like I want a good deal. I want to spend, I'm okay with spending like the retail price. I have spent more. I have paid a premium for certain bags. I don't think any of the ones you've seen actually. I want a good deal, but I don't want my bag to look like shit. That's just not how I'm going. That's not how I'm going to vibe. That's not what I like. So if I'm going to buy a bag, I'm going to make sure that it looks good before I buy it. And this one has absolutely no wear on anything. And again, I personally have been using it since May of 2024. I feel like because it's Swift, like you can see just like every little thing. Like you can see that there's an insert in here. I think that's really what's going on. I like Epsom. I like Epsom. I have a couple of bags in Epsom. I like it. I have personally nothing against it. But I could understand feeling Epsom and saying like,
this is not what I wanted.
I could understand that, but you're not going to touch Swift and say that. You're not going to do that because Swift is just delicious. So I'm I'm excited that you guys have finally seen it. But again, like I said, if you follow me on Instagram, you've seen this already. I have shown this a couple of months ago. Okay, I mean, I've had it since May. Okay, but yeah, let me know in the comments what do you guys think about my little B25, my little baby Birkin. It doesn't look as small on camera as it is in real life. It's small. It's a small little bag. But I also feel like for a bag this color, like green, vertigo, or like any type of pop, like if it was like a pop of yellow or like a pop of orange or something like that, I feel like having a smaller bag is kind of cute. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys think. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day over there. I also know that I've been doing makeup videos and I'm doing bag videos. I've just decided I'm going to do whatever kind of video I feel like doing. So I've been getting back into bags, but still into makeup. So I'm just going to do both. And that's just, that's what it is. And if you only like bags, obviously you only watch the bag videos, or you could just watch it on if you don't want to. Who am I, your boss? And if you only like makeup, then you can only watch makeup videos, or again, you can watch none, you know, like I'll tell you what to do. But that's what we're doing here.
Bye.
Bye.
Subscribe.
Okay, I will subscribe.
No, nice. Bye. Have a nice Christmas.
Let me know in the comments what do you guys think about that week of unboxings, or do I just need to get my act together? Because that's so many unboxings. Or wait, there's another option. The other option is I can just show you my entire bag collection and just skip the unboxings altogether. But I feel like that's kind of wrong. You know, like I feel like I have to reveal the bag first before I do it. Like you let me know in the comments what you think, okay? But that is it. I'm done. I've been yapping forever. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. I feel like my ponytail is just gonna land in that fire. Like it's just gonna land right in there.